goes the strawberry truck, full of berries and full of luck. Baby mice with tiny hats bounce around on cozy mats. Floppy bunnies driving slow through the fields where daisies grow. They sing a tune, they giggle wide on a berry fun countryside.
Right!
Rollin', rollin', here we go. Strawberry truck is moving slow. Baby mice go squeak, hooray! Bunny laughs along the way. Hop and hold tight, side by side. It's a bear bunny micey ride. Over hills and under trees, through a tunnel full of bees. Buzz, 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 they wave hello as berries sparkle in a row. Mousy drums go tap, tap, tap. Bunny ears do a floppy clap. They stop for juice and berry pie, then back on board. Oh me, oh my. Oh, you moly meal do. Starfish, I felt over slow. Baby lass, yes, take your ride. Wait a lights along the way. Hop, babe, hold tight, side by side. It's a give bunny nuts tonight. The sun goes down, shine bright. Blankets out, it's a cozy night. Bunny hums a lullaby as the strawberry truck rolls by. Hush now, babies, you snuggle tight. Dream of berries and soft moonlight. Mice and bunny, side by side, and their sweet and jiggly ride.